I remember the first time that I seen someone cleaning windows using this method right here. My family and I were sitting in a Dairy Queen eating lunch one day, and there was a guy that was in there cleaning windows, and I was fascinated by watching him because I had used a spray bottle and paper towels. And I learned this method right here on YouTube. You know, I'm self-taught in this, and I don't do everything correctly. I've never have worked with a professional window cleaner. I just kind of have watched YouTube videos and kind of figured this out on my own on how to do this. And so I went up to that guy that day in the restaurant, and I asked him, I said, what are you using to clean these windows with? And he said, I'm just using Dawn dish soap to cut the grease off of this from the kitchen grease and stuff that's in here. And he said, and also, it gets these kids' fingerprints off the windows real good, because we was sitting in the playground area, and I thought, man, I have got to learn how to do that, because I have a lot of windows to clean, and just using a spray bottle and rags is just not getting it. So I started researching, and I started learning how to do this and what to use. And if you notice right here, I'm using a different type of squeegee. It's angled for ledges, up high, where you don't have to raise that handle up so high, and it'll close that out at the bottom. It does a really good job. At the end of this video, I'm going to have a photo of this very squeegee right here that I'm using, and also a link in the description below how you can get one of these ledgers yourself. But this method of cleaning windows is so easy. And the thing about it is, I'm self-taught, and, the professional window cleaners that do this every day, seen some of my videos, I say, well, he's got the basics, but there's a lot of mistakes and different things in that. Well, I'm a custodian in a college, and I was a custodian in elementary school, and, a lot of us that just clean, for a living, we don't do windows every day, but we do have a lot of windows to clean. We can learn this method right here good enough to be able to, to get us by, and without having to use a spray bottle and paper towels. And when I get where I don't have to use the poles anymore, I try to do as much as I can by hand. I do a whole lot better job by hand than I can with poles. But I do have to get on my tippy toes sometimes, because I'm just 5'10", so I'm a little short for a guy, I guess. But this method right here saves so much energy and time, because in this particular building that I'm working in, I have 3 doorways like this with this much glass on it. And by the time you do inside and out, I can do, I guess probably within an hour and a half, I can have inside and out on all 3 doorways. If I was doing this with a spray bottle and paper towels, I can't imagine how long it would take me to do these windows. I have also found that I get a whole lot better quality job on my windows when I use a squeegee system as well. Hey, I'd like to say I appreciate everyone that tunes into the channel, and if you would like to help support this channel, I'm going to leave a link in the description below, and hopefully one to pop up right here as well, where you can buy me a coffee, and that just helps supports me in this channel, and I get 95% of the proceeds of anything that you donate through Buy Me a Coffee. I try to clean my windows when the sun's not on them. Today is kind of a cloudy day, so it was a perfect day. It's not too hot outside. We're still in springtime, and there's a lot of pollen and everything that has built up on the windows. But today is a good day on a cool, cloudy day to clean windows because I can soap up more windows at a time, and it won't try to flash dry on me and dry too fast, and I can handle it this way. So, just a really good time when it's cool weather. If you can possibly clean your windows. If you'll notice, I am tapping the glass. I'm pulling down right here, and then I will tap the glass under me that I have not cleaned yet. What I'm doing is getting the excess water off of my squeegee. That way it won't leave any drips or lines on my window. And also I just kind of turn my squeegee and run it along the frame of the window where the water and the dirt has dripped on it. That just kind of help clean that off a little bit as well. I'm not putting any pressure on that. I'm just kind of just rubbing across it lightly. Also, if you're not comfortable with tapping the window, you can wipe your squeegee off each swipe, but I just found that takes a lot of time. And if I see that I'm starting to leave some stuff behind or it's starting to streak a little bit, I will have to, wipe that squeegee off with a rag. hope you have found watching my techniques useful and helpful to you. Maybe help you in your window squeegee, maybe brought some understanding in an easier way to clean windows. Here's some information right here about the Ledger squeegee that I'm using, and also this is the channel of that squeegee that I'm using as well. Here's a link to their website. You can check that out. Hey, if you made it this far in this video, if you would like to see more footage of just me working and doing some things that I do, and maybe you can gain some ideas from that, or if you just like watching people clean stuff. I have people comment say, I just get mesmerized by watching people just clean stuff. I just enjoy watching that kind of stuff. Let me know in the comments below your window cleaning techniques, the good, the bad, the ugly, and what you think about this video right here as well. I'm looking for video ideas, and I want to continue to grow this channel, and let's all grow and learn together. And don't forget that buy me a coffee link in the description below. I would appreciate it very much. Y'all have a great